दोस्तों, good morning. It's Arun here once again, your host and host for this beautiful, amazing, life-transforming channel, which is aptly and correctly known as Transformed You by Arun. So we both are going to play an equally important role in this process of transformation. With me only talking about the ways of transforming people, the ways through which people can become great, nothing is going to change in this world. Nothing is going to change. Because I always say that the student and his mindset or her mindset is going to play a more pivotal, more important, more critical role in the process of transformation than the teacher. The teacher or the guru or the mentor or whatever you call it, sensei, the teacher plays a smaller role than the role which the student is going to play. We all know that there are certain ways through which we can build our immunity. For example, we all know that if we eat well, if we do pranayams, that is breathing exercises, which are nothing but which are the ways of recharging each of the cells in our body, each of trillions of cells in our body, and our body is nothing but it's comprising of all the cells. If the cells are getting a desired amount of oxygen, fresh oxygen in the morning through the process of pranayam, it is going to be healthier. And if cells are healthier, our body is going to be healthier. It's a simple fact. All that we're supposed to do is to do yogasanas. We have to do some exercise. We have to have some right thought, and we have to eat right? Eat the balanced, healthy diet. Simple. It's very simple. I've said it. But still, many of you are not going to practice it from the very next moment. I can tell you that more than 95% people will not take a single action based on what I've just told you. And that's the reason, unless there is a change in the mindset of the student, nothing is going to change in this world. And that's the reason I kept this tagline of my first book, My Peter Marisburg Moment. It's not a marketing talk. Please go for this. Please. Because I have spent lakhs of rupees to learn and to practice all the lessons from the best of coaches and mentors in the world. Internationally, I'm saying. And then when I went through the process of realization myself, I wrote this book. It's my book. It's all my experiences. But the sutras which are mentioned are better explained than you can find these in any book. I'm talking about the books which are internationally available across any bookstore. I mean it. Now let me take one example. So what is it you can see here? Adversity is the mother of transformation. विपत्तियां ही आपकी जिंदगी में सफलता का कारण बनती है. आपकी जिंदगी में एक बहुत ही बड़ा परिवर्तन होता है विपत्तियों के कारण, या नॉर्मल एवरेज मौकों के कारण कुछ भी नहीं बदलता है. इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है कि अगर हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं कोरोना काल, कोरोना के पहले लोगों ने इम्यूनिटी के बारे में या रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता के बारे में सुना था, लेकिन कुछ करते नहीं थे. Except a few people who used to do some of these things which we spoke about: pranayam, exercise, meditation, eating right, doing yogasanas. उनको छोड़कर ज्यादातर लोगों ने कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीना नहीं छोड़ा, पेप्सी पीना नहीं छोड़ा, हर वो काम किया जिससे उनको मजा मिलता है, जिससे उनको अच्छा लगता है, जिससे उनको शॉर्ट टर्म इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन मिलता है, प्लेजर मिलता है. उन्होंने सारा काम किया, लेकिन उन्होंने वो काम नहीं किया जिससे उनकी इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड हो. एंड यू कैन बिल्ड योर इम्यूनिटी by doing what? I already spoke about it. Pranayam, exercises, yogasanas, eating well, thinking right. And building these as a part of your habits. Build your habits. Because unless your habits change, nothing in this world is going to change. But now that Corona has come and many people have actually suffered from Corona, most of these people who have suffered from Corona know the significance of building immunity, because they have gone through some of the most stressful moments while being in a hospital, while surrounded by people who are talking about nothing other than drips and intravenous fluids and medicines, and they are hearing beeping sound of various monitors and machines, and they are looking at bills which are in lakhs of rupees. Their family members also have to go for COVID-19 test, and they have to better turn negative. Otherwise, the entire family is going to be in hospital without anybody looking after them. It's very challenging a moment. The sheer thought process is very, very draining. Now, the message, there is something which is called immunity and which has to be built, has got drilled into their mindset. And they are going to change their lifestyle. They're going to start doing exercises, yogasanas. They're going to change their food habits. They're going to have something which is preventive, for example, some of the herbs and spices. They're going to watch, for example, Facebook Live of Swami Ramdev, which starts every single day at 5 o'clock in the morning. There is another program on India TV also, which starts at 8 o'clock, which is about Corona ke khilaf jang, Swami Ramdev ke sang, something like that. Now they are going to change their company because उनकी संगत में आने जा रहे हैं स्वामी रामदेव, या ऐसे लोग जो योगासनास करते हैं, या ऐसे लोग जो मेरे जैसे लोग हैं जो बातें करते हैं इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड करने के लिए, ताकि कोरोना को बिल्कुल अपने ऊपर, अपने नजदीक आने नहीं दिया जाए. Their thought is going to change, their food is going to change, their sangat company is going to change, and they are going to change completely. And believe me, what is going to happen is that if a person was found positive because of corona, he or she is going to take a lot of actions now on the lines of which we just spoke of, we discussed. And even if the person had some pre-existing disease, the person is going to get completely cured of those diseases now. I know for sure that there are people who used to have blood pressure issue, diabetes problem, they used to have some other disorders, they used to have some knee problem, they used to have some other kind of neck problem and some other problems which had been existing, but they did not have the courage or the realization to change their life. But now because of corona, because of the fact that they have been found COVID positive, they're going to take actions and they're going to prove this line once again, which is what? Adversity is the mother of transformation. कोरोना नहीं आता तो इनके सारे प्रॉब्लम्स उनके साथ में चलते जाते हैं. कोरोना आ गया, इन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी के अंदाज को बदला, लाइफस्टाइल को बदला, अपने हैबिट्स को बदला, और अब उनके जो बाकी जो डिजीज, बाकी जो रोग थे जो उनके साथ में चले, तो वो रोग भी इनकी जिंदगी से हमेशा के लिए खत्म होने जा रहे हैं, वैनिश होने जा रहे हैं. These people are going to become far more healthier, happier and more successful, because guess what? Yes, you guessed it right. Health and happiness, health and success, health and well-being, health and your career, they are all linked. So dosto, this is one of the best examples of the tagline of this book called Adversity is the Mother of Transformation. And of course there is a chapter called Realization is the Key. Realization is the Key. It's a long chapter, one of the longest chapters here. And this means what? एक बार दिमाग में बात चली गई कि मुझे अपनी इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड करनी है, मैं बिल्कुल हमेशा के लिए बदल जाऊंगा. This is what is going to happen with thousands and lakhs of people who have realized the adverse impact of not maintaining immunity. बट क्या आपने इस बात को रियलाइज किया है? आप इंतजार मत कीजिए एडवर्सिटीज को या विपत्तियों को अपनी जिंदगी में आने तक. आप इंतजार मत कीजिए, आप अभी से प्रोएक्टिवली इन हैबिट्स को बिल्ड कीजिए. लेकिन दुनिया की सच्चाई है कि 100 में से 99 लोग प्रोएक्टिवली हैबिट्स बिल्ड नहीं करेंगे, वो वेट करेंगे कुछ एडवर्सिटी का आने का. डू नॉट डू दैट, डू नॉट डू दैट. So दोस्तों, on this note, let me wish you a great, amazing morning and take care and have a great, welcoming New Year 2021. All the best wishes. Bye-bye.